Hi, I'm Steven from the team at Slack, and I'm going to show you how to use Huddles. Huddles give you more ways to talk and work alongside with your colleagues in Slack. Maybe you're working on something and it would be easier to talk live with someone on your team. Instead of setting up a separate call or meeting, you can invite them to a huddle right from Slack. Just open the conversation you have with them and click to begin the huddle. If you want, you can turn your camera on and even share your screen to walk through something that you may be working on.
Hey Dan, how's it going?
Doing great. Thanks so much for jumping in on this huddle.
Yeah, of course.
One of my favorite parts of Huddles is that you can type out notes and action items in the huddle thread that will stay in the main conversation for others to reference later.
Cool. That's all for now. See you, Dan.
I think you'll love Huddles as much as I do. Check out our other videos or visit slack.com/help to learn more. Thanks for watching.